What's up YouTube? This is Nimit from Webchronic, and today I'm going to show you how you can get started with Siteground as their affiliate partner. Next on Through the Webchronic. Okay, so let's get started. Well, first of all, congratulations, because you finally made your mind to make websites and sell hosting as an affiliate. Plus you want to get connected to the best hosting platform in the industry. Well, let's just talk about the 4 major reasons to choose Siteground. Yes, the number 1 reason is speed, because when we think of buying a hosting plan, the first thing that clicks our mind is the uptime and the excellent speed. So you just can't beat Siteground in it. The number 2 point would be their support system. The support system is absolutely amazing. They are very helpful and they are very friendly. The third option would be their flexible plans. Their hosting plans are pretty transparent with no hidden cost. And the fourth and the best option would be the HTTPS. In their plan, they offers the HTTPS security feature for free. However, in majority of the other hosting platforms, they charge for it. Well, I guess these are the major features of this giant hosting platform. And it's always good to sell something which is already best in the industry. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is to go to Chrome or Safari, and let's go to siteground.com. Okay, so here we are. Now we need to click on affiliates. Alright, so before we proceed and go ahead and click on join now, we need to check a couple of things here. Okay, they claim that they give the commission on a weekly basis, which is an absolutely amazing thing. Plus another stunning thing here is that if you're making 1 to 5 sales per month, you're going to get paid $50 per sale, which is a good figure. 6 to 10 sales, you're going to get $75 per sale. 11 to 20, $100 per sale. 21 plus, it's on the custom commission basis. So now let's click on join now. Okay, so we need to fill up the form and sign up for Siteground affiliate hosting program. We need to provide the contact information like the first name, the last name, the street address, the country, which is India, the city, which is New Delhi. Then I need to provide the zip code, the phone number, the email ID, and I need to create a new password here. And the next is the payout information. Okay, so here we need to select if I'm an individual or a company. Then I need to provide the tax identification number. If I'm from US, I need to provide my social security number or the ITIN number. If I'm not from US, I need to provide my local tax identification number. In case if I do not have one, I can always go ahead and provide my date of birth in MMDDYYYY format. And the next is the PayPal email information. I need to provide my email information which is connected to my PayPal account, because Siteground is going to make the payment in your PayPal wallet. In case if you do not know what is a PayPal account, let me just tell you in brief. PayPal is basically a service that enables you to pay, to send money and to accept payments. Once you receive a commission from Siteground, it is going to fall in your PayPal wallet account. From there you can always transfer it into your bank account. If you would like to learn more, you can click on the I button above, or I will leave the link in the description box below. You can click on it to learn how to make a PayPal account. Okay, the next step is to get the affiliate profile information. Okay, so now I see 3 mandate fields here. The first is your website. You need to provide your website address here, which you're going to connect to the Siteground affiliate link to promote it. The second is the affiliate profile. Okay, it's a drop-down menu. It says that I run a hosting directory or a comparison website. I run a coupon discount website. I run a blog. I provide training courses. I professionally build websites for my clients. I develop themes, plugins, or softwares. I run a podcast. Well, in my case, it would be I run a blog content website. Okay, the next option is promo method. It means how you're going to promote the Siteground affiliate. It gives you another drop-down. Okay, the first option is content. I write content articles about my company. The other option is the banner. The third is email marketing, then incentives, cashbacks, pay-per-click on social media, on forums, personal recommendation, other promo methods. Well, the good thing is that you can select 2 or more choices also. So you can select multiple choices from this drop down and then you can click on submit. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to fill this form. So I will skip past this video and I will see you in a moment. Okay, so that's it. I filled in the form and I clicked on submit. So my application is submitted and they'll review it and get back to me in a couple of days. So once I get the confirmation, I can start using my referral code to sell the hosting and receive commissions through their affiliate program. Okay, so it's not even 24 hours and I got a mail from Siteground confirming that I'm on board with their affiliate program and I can start selling now. So guys, it's pretty easy, but you have to have a website for promoting the affiliate program of Siteground. That's their mandate condition. In my case, I made a basic website to get associated with Siteground. So similarly, you can create a basic website and get started. So in the coming tutorials, I'll help you make awesome websites with free themes and paid themes as well. So that's it. I've showed you how you can get started with Siteground as their affiliate partner. And now you can go ahead and make some money by selling Siteground hosting to your viewers and to your clients. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Hit the bell icon so that you can get connected and get an update once I upload a new video. So you have a good day, guys. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.